Oh, let me do some jumping jacks real quick. Loosen up, loosen up. All right, cool. We are ready to go. All right. Hello, Earthlings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the official aramid cover, or just in general, cases for the Galaxy Z Flip3 5G phone. So this phone came out pretty recently. This is August 2021, and we are presented with this awesome device. But of course, you want a case to cover up like you do with most things, cover it up with a really good looking case. So I picked carbon fiber because it's one of my favorite materials. It just looks awesome. Reminds me of this old case I have with my Pixel 4. So first thing you need to do is you need to take out the SIM card of your other device because the case will cover up the port on here. So this is the top side of the phone. See the camera? Here's your SIM card slot. So use the included SIM ejector tool with your device, put in the hole and push down gently and pop the card out. So next you're gonna look at the orientation of your SIM card, where it should go. There's a little notch up here, and place that in there and drop that in very carefully. Boop. And then next thing is you're gonna take the top cover. There's this little nice protective thing that prevents it from your hand from sticking and all that stuff. So remove this adhesive layer thing. This thing basically keeps the case from sliding off on your device. So the way you install this thing is you're gonna snap it on very gently. So you wanna angle the phone just like this right here. Get in right there. And then you're gonna carefully, you want to put the phone down so you don't put pressure on the screen. Hear that snap, and then you're gonna push the case into the phone a little bit. Give a little bit of pressure, so now the case will not slide off. So that's one of the unique challenges with this phone, how you create a case for it. Of course, it has to be a split case. You're gonna do the same thing with the bottom, remove the little adhesive protection, and then you're gonna snap the case in just like this. There you go, and then you're gonna push back, push down on this little adhesive part, you know, rub it around, just feel how smooth the quality of the aramid fiber is. Very nice and smooth. So there we go. So that's how you install the case on the Samsung Galaxy Z3 or Z Flip 3. And there you go. It looks very cool, you know. Still has a nice click sound, feels good, very light, doesn't add too much weight to it. But yeah, there you go. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know. And as always, have a nice day.